Hi there, it's MA from Geneva, and it's Saturday, April 18th, and I'm on spring break. And here's what I've been doing in these last few days. I didn't do a video yesterday because I got busy. I was making some coursework for my students using Loom, so I was learning how to use that, which was kind of fun. And then I was writing an article about assessment, which I sent off to see who wants to put that on their blog or web page or whatever, put it on LinkedIn as well. And then I had an idea that I should make some tutorial videos for my colleagues as they are getting ready to come back from spring break in another week. I thought maybe they would want to have some tutorials on how to design their courses. So not so much about the technical things. That's kind of my usual role, is I'm helping people out with how does Teams work and how does our learning management system work. And so I thought, having a bit more of a design element to, what kind of assessments am I giving, what kind of assignments am I giving. And I've done one already 2 or 3 weeks ago, but that one was live, and so I thought, well, I'll just record it like I record some of the lessons for my students and deliver it through our online PLC. And that's something that I had started a couple years ago on Teams already, so it's a great place to share ideas with my colleagues on a local level. I think often teachers don't have the headspace to devote time to searching through Twitter or searching through different educational websites or Teacher Pay Teacher or whatever to find things and ideas to do, especially now in COVID. So I'd like to make it a little easier for them, and as they come back to their planning for the rest of the school year, and just make myself available for that. And that's what I'm doing for school stuff. And personally, I went and got some paint and some things for my balcony to redo it. That's my project for this next week. That's what I have for you today.